Welcome to Results Laser Clinics in Liverpool. My name is Jessie and today we're going to be talking about our LED light therapy treatment. So with our LED treatment, we offer two different types of settings with our machine. Our first is our red light, or also known as our clear. This will help with stimulation of our collagen elastin and help to produce new healthy cells for our skin. With our second setting, we have our blue light. This more so focuses on our acne and breakout skin types. This will help to reduce the inflammation of our breakouts, reducing the size and the appearance of them, and then helping with the healing process as well. So with our LED treatment here at Results Laser Clinics, we can either have it as a standalone treatment just to target your main skin priority, or we can customize it and tailor it with our microdermabrasions, our peel treatments, or our skin needling.